Hello. So I get a few messages about creating the dub sound on the Korg EMX. It's very much achievable. Wouldn't be everybody's cup of tea, but it's definitely got a nice sound to it. So I'll do a quick demonstration how to achieve that sound and using this machine. So you want to go to Chord oscillator. You want to go to saw wave. You want your voicing to be at 0, and you want to be in minor. Okay, so drive, a little bit of drive, a little bit of resonance. Cut off is to your own taste, really. And yeah, so we move to modulation. You want that to be randomized, and the speed at its lowest point. And then you go to the effects. So on the first, you want some modular delay. On the modular delay, you want timing 3/16. And then the feedback is to your own taste as well. And yeah, so next to be your low pass filter. So you mess around with that to your own taste as well. And lastly is your reverb. And that's basically it. So if you pair that with a nice drums